Installing a 3-inch tape head. Begin by removing the case stabilizers and belt guards. The original tape heads will need to be uninstalled first. The upper tape head is held in by 4 screws. Remove them and lift the head from its frame. The lower head is rested in the chassis without fasteners and can be lifted out with little effort. Now remove the tape arms and tension springs from each head to be used with the new tape heads. Next, install the tape arms and tension springs onto the new 3-inch tape head. Before installing the new tape heads, the mounting brackets for the upper head need to be repositioned. Use the belt tensioners seen here to loosen the belts. Remove the belts. Next, remove the 2 brackets closest to the tensioners. Slide the tension roller backwards and fasten the mounts to the screws positioned behind it. Set the tape head into the newly repositioned mounts and fasten it in place. Like before, the lower head needs no adjustment and can be set into the chassis as is. Reinstall the belts. Next, use the tensioners to tighten the belts, making sure they are equally taut on each side. The last steps are to reattach the belt guards and install the tape. Your 3-inch tape heads are now ready for use.